Hello everybody, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Got a new product from Superior Image, which is my #1 go-to for professional detailers. This is a conditioner, a true conditioner. So there's a lot of products out there on the market that are, UV protectant, this and that, essential oils. This one is a more premium product. It conditions vinyl and leather. It's a satin finish with a fresh leather scent. It's ready to use, professional grade. So professional grade means, okay, this has the higher end oils in it than just maybe a silicone water-based dressing that's gonna, put some smell in it and make it look shiny and clean and it'll last a couple of weeks. But if you're looking for a more higher end product, this is a premium one from superiorimage.com. Like I said, they're my go-to. So let's try the bottom here and see what it looks like. Spray it on my applicator here. I'm gonna work that in the leather. I'm not super impressed by the leather I've had with my Honda. It wore out really fast. Like, I had one section replaced and then it wore out again months later. So it's not, even though it's supposed to be a higher end leather with the the breathable leather like that, not super impressed. But you have to, I am in Arizona, so you're gonna have to put a dressing on it like this and keep it moisturized, clean it off, and so as you can see, nice, it's working it in. You can definitely tell it has some oils in it, essential oils in it. Softens that up. Looks nice and fresh. It's not greasy or wet to the touch, so it puts a little bit of sheen on it, more of a satin sheen. And like I said, this is a far superior product if you're looking for those higher end cars, those higher end leathers. It's a few more dollars, but you're gonna get a professional grade product from Superior Image. So any detailers out there, I've got some videos coming. I'm gonna get with Ted, the ADA trainer there. We're gonna go through their shop and show you, if you are a detailer, how you can get started with their products. A lot of them are concentrated, some of them are ready to use. By far, it is the best bang for your buck and the best value if you're a detailer out there. I have a lot of videos, with other products, and it's because I like doing the videos for my YouTube channel and sharing information and doing product reviews out there. This is my passion and my hobby on the side. So have any questions, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. I appreciate everybody's support. But definitely, if you want a higher end vinyl leather dressing, leather smell, definitely check out Renew Vinyl Leather Dressing from superiorimage.com. Take care, everybody.